Today is Monday. I didn't film anything yesterday. In the evening, some friends of ours came for dinner and I made like an English Sunday roast basically, which is really nice to have over here because it's not part of the Dutch culture, roast dinners. This week, what have I got on? Not planned anything for Wednesday. Wednesday's my short day, so I normally do something in the afternoon. Thursday is William's birthday. He's turning 12. So we've not planned a party yet. I mean, we'll do a little celebration in the house for him Thursday. And the tradition is normally on the Friday, the birthday person gets to choose what they want for dinner. They can order in, I can make something, or we can go out to a restaurant. So no idea what he'll choose. Knowing William, he might choose KFC. It's fine. Got to phone the doctor. I think tomorrow I'll get the results from the lab tests that they did and see what to do if my bladder infection is cleared up or not. To be honest with you, I would say it's definitely not. I mean, I know I look quite perky and well now, but I am actually struggling, so I've got a bit of extra makeup on today. So that's my day. I'm just driving through Amsterdam's Bos, which is my regular route through work, and I'm a bit worried because we've had quite a bad storm here. I think also the UK had the same storm. I forget the name of it. I mean, the wind last night. But obviously I'm driving through the woods, so I'm hoping that there's no fallen trees. Next weekend, one of the largest exhibition centres in Holland, sorry I'm going over these speed bumps, is the Rye. It's in Amsterdam. They're holding their annual boat show. It's called Hiswa, and Lawrence and I are planning to go to that. So if we go, I'll take you with me. I was just getting ready to leave the house, and then I saw this huge bird. In England we call it a heron. I think in Holland they might call them cranes. But I'll try and insert. I took a little video of it. It was sat on the gate of our garden, and it was eyeing up the next door neighbour's fish pond. It was exciting, and then I saw on the television this morning that today in the UK is something called Pancake Day. I think it's actually in the Catholic faith. I think it's Shrove Tuesday. I think, could be wrong. Sorry, but I know when we were children it was Pancake Day, and I was thinking it's amazing how many English traditions that I was so excited about as a child growing up, and I just never assumed that it wouldn't be something for my children. I mean, why would Dutch kids get excited about pancakes? I mean, there's pancake houses, restaurants, every village you go to, and we eat pancakes regularly, midweek. It's nice. You can even buy them ready-made, just heat them up. But and then I was thinking, yeah, my kids have never experienced bonfire night in the UK, which is the 5th of November. Which was always highlighting my calendar year as a child. They've never experienced Halloween. They are gradually starting to do something with Halloween in the Netherlands. Not so much. It's very, very commercial. I mean, we used to, dress up, and I don't know if there's any English viewers out there, but when I was a child growing up in the 70s and the early 80s, pumpkins were like quite exotic, stuff that you'd seen Cinderella fairy books. So we used to walk around with like a hollowed out swede, not a turnip, a swede. It's like a big root vegetable, and oh god, it took forever to hollow it out. And then you'd make like your jack-o'-lantern out of that, and then you'd stick a candle in it and a bit of wire and You know, you'd walk around with a carved Swede. Yeah, I just thought I'd share that observation with you. I know there's probably millions of English school children who are very excited to get home this evening and eat pancakes, and yeah, my kids are not one of them. But we have other things that we celebrate here which are equally as nice. So I've just arrived at my doctor, going in. I feel like I'm forever walking around with a pot of piss on me constantly. Oh nice. I couldn't get hit by a bus. Okay, talk to you later in the week. Bye. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
Thank you.
Hello, it's Saturday afternoon. Hope you can hear me. I'm just in Amsterdam at the Hiswa, which is a boat show, and running a bit late today, so only got a couple of hours to have a good look around and dream about the boats that we can't afford. But we are in the market to replace our boat in the next few years, so you never know, might find a bargain. But I'll try and show you some nice boats, and we can all drool over them. I don't know, maybe some of you out there can actually afford some of these. Lucky you. So let's have a walk around. Dark. Lawrence has just put the interior car light on. We had to go home after the boat show because Jack and Dexter needed feeding, the dog and cat, and obviously Jack needed a walk afterwards. And now we're in the unusual position of not having any children home for dinner. So William's got a sleepover, Joshua's gone out with his friends, so Lawrence and I are off out for dinner. I'm actually really tired, so we haven't got any groceries in anyway, but it's the longest I've actually been out of the house since I went to work on Wednesday, so I'm exhausted, so don't feel like cooking anything. And yeah, so we'll see what this place is like. Hi guys, that's the end of this week's weekly vlog. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sticking it out to the end. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you want to leave any comments or questions or suggestions for future vlogs, please leave them below. See you in the next vlog. Bye.